Welcome to the TTFS installation video. We will be showing you the easy step-by-step process for installing our temporary fence products on site. You will not require many tools for the installation. Just an impact driver with 16mm socket and a pair of safety gloves. Once you have inspected the site and worked out where the fence is being installed, ensuring there are no obstacles or hazards where the fence is to be installed, it is best to start the installation at the gate position or at a corner point of the boundary line. We are starting at the corner on this site. We start by placing the first fence base on the corner of the boundary. Carrying the fence panel with two people helps keep the installation safe and the panel stable. You need to place the panel into the corresponding hole on the base as shown. Next, you need to place another fence base at the end of the first panel you have installed. It is easy to adjust the position of the base with a tap of your feet or push with your hand to line up the hole with the panel. You can now start installing the panels along the fence line from the corner. Please ensure that the fence bases are placed perpendicular to the fence panels as shown. The bases must be placed this way for the stability of the fence installation. Continue the process of placing a base on the ground followed by a panel until you get to another corner or to the location where a gate is required. The gate location is where you would want to have access to the site. When installing the gate section, you will need to place the end of the first panel into the fence base. Do not place a base at the other end of this panel. Place the next base at the distance of another panel past the first gate panel as shown. When placing the panel in the base for the second gate panel, adjust the base so both the gate panels are aligned properly in the middle, either touching or overlapping slightly. Continue installing panels and bases along the fence line of your project. You may need to overlap the temp fence panels if the site boundary requires it. You can clamp the cross members of the panel top and bottom to ensure the panels are secured. The next step is to secure the fence panels with the clamps at the top of the panels. You can secure the fence panels with the clamps as you install them. However, in most cases the clamps are installed once all the panels and gates are in place. Slide the clamp over the top of the two adjoining panels, then using the impact driver, tighten the nut on the clamp until it is secure. Make sure the bolt with the nut attached is facing inwards to the site. To give the fence line extra stability, we recommend you install the stays at each side of the gate. The stay is placed on the inside of the fence line and at 90 degrees to the panel. You need to ensure the ground, where the steel plate of the stay is placed, is the same level as the fence base. This will prevent the fence from leaning when the stays are attached. Then secure the stay to the panel with the clamps at the top and at the bottom fixing points. We also recommend a stay to be installed every fourth or fifth panels along the fence line. If there is shade cloth being installed, then more bracing is required as per the relevant Australian standards. Once the stay is fixed to the corresponding panel, place 2 or 3 bases over pipe fixed to the steel base plate at the bottom of the stay. The 2 or 3 bases will work as a counterweight to prevent the fence blowing over in the wind. Once the fence installation is complete, we recommend you secure gates using a chain and padlock.